Hi historians. We've been learning about the American Revolution, and I wanted to check in with you about what we've covered so far. So as a fifth grader, it's important that you know significant people during the time of the American Revolution and then significant battles. So far, we have learned that Thomas Jefferson, Ben Franklin, and John Adams were the main writers of the Declaration of Independence. Patrick Henry gave that famous speech with the line of "Give me liberty or give me death." The Continental Army. The Continental Army is the army that is defending the colonists. So the Continental Army is made up of the colonists, and that is the army that's going against the British Army that's known as the Redcoats. So the Redcoats refer to the British soldiers. Paul Revere was, he did many things during the American Revolution, but is most known for warning the citizens that the British Army was coming during that time of the battle at Lexington. George Washington, I'm going to add in here, he was the leader, the commander of the Continental Army. So yes, he does later become the President of the United States, but before he was President of the United States, he was the commander of the Continental Army. So he was in charge of the colonists. For battles. The first battle, it's actually two different battles, but for some reason historians lump them together, the battle at Lexington and Concord. And what fifth graders are expected to remember about the Battle of Lexington and Concord is that this battle was considered to be the beginning of the Revolutionary War. Today you are going to watch a video about the battle at Bunker Hill. And as you're watching the video, you're going to be thinking about what's the significance of this battle. Of all of the battles that are in the American Revolution, why do historians pick for us to learn about that battle? So this is a review of the people that we've learned about so far, and we are now moving into battles.